Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of a box, or whose box it come out of. Whew, watch out for that one. We unbox anything here. But first, I'm going to get uncanny and uncan a beer. Carling Lager. 4.9% alcohol. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Ah, nice. Today's box is a cardboard box. It's rather small. It's 3.5 inches by 2 inches by half an inch and weighs 76 grams. It's yellow, red, green, white, orange, and who knows, maybe another color or two. Sounds like this when you shake it. And it looks like this. That's a small box. It looks like this. Well, let's get right to it, shall we? How do we know what's in there? Probably not drugs. It says Knorr beef boof bouillon, 6 cubes bouillon. Moo. Well. Ooh. How about that? Box is empty. 2, 4, 6. 6 cubes bouillon. Fuck. I'm blown away. Like, wow. I wasn't expecting that. Well, there you go. Unboxing of beef bouillon cubes. Fuck yeah. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Until the next super spectacular unboxing. Keep on rocking in the free world, bitches. RTFO mofos. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Gotta love a good unboxing.